we're back from shopping! Ah! Husk, what's going on?
That pervert invited that Cyclops friends of his to play.
Oh, shit.
That pair of idiots are playing with bombs inside a hotel?
Faggy, wait! Here, Nifty, save the purchases!
Yes, boss!
Inside of every demon is a rainbow. Inside every sinner is a...
Stop following me all over the hotel. It's not my fault you can't find your stuff.
Aren't you supposed to be the Little Miss Responsibility?
Hi, guys, what's up?
You should fire this witch! That's up! She ignored my stuff on the shopping list on purpose!
I already told you that that's not true.
My dear friend, where did you get that old coat?
It's not here.
Shut up.
Without him, my bus loses its shape!
Wait a second! What the hell are they talking about?
Yesterday we went shopping, and Angel asked us to buy a special conditioner. And we did it, but now it doesn't appear. I don't understand why. I asked Nifty to put everything in its place.
Nifty. Now I understand.
What thing?
Husk, could you explain yourself, please?
Angel. I think Nifty put your conditioner in my bathroom.
Oh my word!
They are perfect!
What the fuck?
My, that's quite fluffy. Alistair, what are you planning on using that for? Kind of vibbing.
God damn it, Roni! That was not my conditioner! It was
It was Sean's.